Ever heard of the incredible Tongan taovala?
The Tongan taovala is a traditional dress for the Tongan people, a Polynesian ethnic group from the islands of Tonga. What makes the taovala fascinating is that it is a woven mat, which can be made from various materials like pandanus leaves and is worn around the waist. Historically, this practice is believed to have started when early Tongan sailors arrived on shore with their mats and wore them to show respect to the land and its people. Today, the taovala is still worn as a sign of respect, especially during formal occasions such as weddings, funerals, and ceremonies. It's not just any mat. There are different types of taovala for different occasions. The way the mat is tied and its size even carry specific meanings, reflecting the social status of the wearer. Isn't it amazing how a simple mat can carry so much cultural significance?
Did you know about the man who stomped on lava?
Hey everyone, have you ever heard of Thomas Jagger? He's not a household name, but this guy did something incredible that you should know about. In 1912, Thomas Jagger founded the Hawaiian Volcano Observatory. He's famous for his daring research, especially one experiment where he stomped on hot lava. Why did he do that? Jagger wanted to understand the behavior of lava better. So he put on special shoes and stomped on the lava surface to see how it cooled and hardened. Cool, right? This risky move helped scientists understand volcanic eruptions and ensure safety for people living near active volcanoes. So next time you hear about volcano safety, think of the man who stomped on lava, Thomas Jagger.
Have you heard about Japan's daring otter demons? Long ago in Japan, near the rivers and streams, lived the Kawa no Kami, or river deities. Among these river spirits were a group called the Kawa Uso, or otter demons. These trickster spirits were known for their playful, but somewhat perilous nature. One day, a fisherman was setting his nets when he saw a beautiful woman sitting by the riverbank, combing her hair. Mesmerized, he approached her, but as he got closer, the woman looked at him and suddenly transformed into an otter, leaping into the water. The fisherman quickly gathered his village to tell them about the encounter. Elders warned everyone to be cautious, as the Kawa Usos were known to lure people to watery graves. With time, the villagers learned to respect and coexist with the river spirits, offering small gifts to appease them. This folktale serves as a reminder of the thin line between charm and danger in the natural world.
Did you know about Costa Rica's poison dart frogs? Costa Rica is a paradise known for its lush rainforests, stunning beaches, and rich biodiversity. But did you know that it's also home to a fascinating creature? Meet the poison dart frog. These colorful amphibians are as dangerous as they are beautiful. Despite their small size, they hold enough poison to deter predators. Some species have toxins potent enough to harm humans. Their vibrant colors serve as a warning to predators, saying, "Stay away." In Costa Rican indigenous cultures, these frogs were historically used to poison the tips of blow darts. Interestingly, the potency of their toxins comes from their diet, which includes ants, termites, and beetles. When relocated and fed a different diet, these frogs actually lose their toxicity. So the next time you think of Costa Rica, remember this tiny yet mighty resident that adds a touch of mystery and danger to the tropical wonderland.
Meet the man who predicted space travel in 1865. Hey everyone. Today, we're diving into the incredible life of Jules Verne, a man way ahead of his time. Born in 1828, Verne was a French writer best known for his adventure novels. But here's the fun fact. Jules Verne predicted space travel way back in 1865 in his novel From the Earth to the Moon. In the book, a group of scientists builds a space capsule and launches it to the moon using a giant cannon. Sounds crazy, right? But Verne's predictions were eerily close to reality. He even calculated that the best launch site would be near the equator, just like NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. People thought he was dreaming, but his vision sparked imaginations and laid the groundwork for real-life space travel. Isn't that fascinating? So the next time you look up at the stars, remember Jules Verne, the man who dreamt it all first.
Did you know the unique way the Bahau people hear underwater? The Bajau people, also known as the sea nomads, have an astonishing ability. They can hear clearly underwater. Living in the waters of Southeast Asia, the bajau have adapted to life at sea in exceptional ways. They spend up to 60% of their day diving for food. Over generations, the bajau have developed extraordinary underwater hearing capabilities. Scientists discovered that their ear anatomy has changed, allowing them to detect sounds that most of us would miss beneath the waves. This unique adaptation not only improves their hunting skills, but also helps them communicate and navigate in their watery environment. Imagine being so well tuned to the ocean that you can hear fish and other marine life coming from a distance. The bajau people's lifestyle offers an incredible example of human adaptability and evolution.
The carpenter who launched a satellite. Meet William "Red" Whitaker, a man who started as a humble carpenter and ended up becoming a legendary roboticist. You might be wondering how a carpenter could possibly make such an extraordinary leap. Well, Whitaker's journey began in his woodworking shop, where his meticulous work encouraged him to deal with precision and intrigue. Eventually, he pursued a degree in engineering and never looked back. Whitaker's claim to fame came when he designed robots to inspect and clean up nuclear sites, and even built robots that went to the moon. His team designed robots that traversed hazardous zones without risking human life. Imagine going from constructing wooden furniture to creating machines that explore celestial bodies. Isn't that inspiring and mind-blowing? This goes to show that with curiosity and determination, even a carpenter can reach the stars, quite literally.
Did you know about Greece's magical bird? In the mountains of Greece, there's a little-known folktale about a magical bird called the halcyon. According to the story, the halcyon is a colorful bird that nests on the sea during the calmest period of winter. It is said that this bird has the power to calm the roughest seas and storms. People believed that during its nesting period, which lasts about 2 weeks, the waters would remain still and peaceful, making it the perfect time for fishermen to set sail. The halcyon days, as this period was known, became a symbol of peace and tranquility. The bird's enchanting song was said to lull even the fiercest of waves into a gentle slumber. This story taught people the power of patience and the importance of cherishing peaceful moments in life. Next time you're near the sea, listen carefully. You might just hear the soft, soothing song of the halcyon.
Have you heard about the Finnish moon fox? In a forgotten village in Finland, an old folktale speaks of the mystical moon fox. According to legend, the moon fox was a celestial creature who roamed the night skies. This fox had a unique ability. It could create the northern lights. People believed that as the fox danced across the heavens, its fur brushed against the stars, causing them to sparkle and light up the sky in beautiful colors. The villagers would gather every month during the darkest night to watch the moon fox's dance. They thought the northern lights brought good fortune and happiness. One day, curiosity got the best of a young girl named Aino. She wished to meet the moon fox and capture its magic. She climbed the tallest hill and waited under a full moon. To her amazement, the moon fox appeared, but instead of being angry, it gave her a tiny glowing star as a token. From then on, Aino's village prospered, and the moon fox became a symbol of hope and awe.
The mystery of the moai, heads or full-bodied giants. Everyone knows the famous Easter Island statues, but did you know there's more to these stone figures than meets the eye? On Easter Island, called Rapa Nui by the locals, the iconic moai statues appear to be only giant heads rising from the ground. However, in recent years, archaeologists have discovered that these heads actually have full, detailed bodies buried underground. Many of these statues reach heights of up to 33 feet when completely unearthed. The bodies have intricate carvings and are more detailed than what's visible above the surface. It's a reminder that no matter how much we think we know about the world, there are always more secrets hidden just below the surface.
Did you enjoy these 10 strange facts? We will bring you more interesting topics in the next video, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and enjoy.